Class 9 Mathematics Comparing Quantities Exercise 7.1 and Part 2 द चैप्टर 7 मैं RS प्रसाद सर आज आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइज 7.1 yes let us start your exercise. Mohan saves rupees 3950 after spending 7% of his salary. What his monthly salary? So let his monthly salary equal to rupees X. So spending is 75% of his salary. Now you can consider spending is equal to 75% of how much rupees the salary is here. So 75% of X. So you can say it is X into 75 upon 100. So 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja. So we get 3x by 4. That is the spending. Now what is the saving? सेविंग इक्वल टू टोटल सैलरी उसकी x है, उसमें से 3x by 4 माइनस कर देंगे. सो दैट वुड बी इट इज द एलसीएम इज 4, so it becomes 4x minus 3x and that is the x by 4. So that is the saving. But according to question, saving is given. Saving is equal to rupees how much? It is given 3950. So you can do the equal. So x by 4 is equal to 3950. So x is equal to 3950 into 4. Now multiply 4 0 0 0 and 4 5 ja 20 and 4 9 ja 36 and 2 38. So 3 is carried and 4 3 ja 12 and 3 that is the 15. So Mohan's salary is equal to rupees 15800. So that is your answer. Let us see the second question of this. In class 10th, so there is no meaning of class 10th. So 60% are girl, their number is 18. So what is the ratio of number of boys to girls? So let us see what is happen. What is the ratio of numbers of boys to girls in class 10th? So let us see, the number is 18. Let the total number of students. Let the total number of students, that is X. So 60% are girls. So number of girls you can count. Number of girls equal to, it is the 60% of X. So girls are given here 18. So it is 60 upon 100 into X. Now calculate it. 0 cancel with 0 and 2 3 ja and 2 5 ja. So we get 18 is equal to 3 by 5 of X. So X equal to 18 into 5 divided by 3. 3 6 ja 18. So X will be the 6 5 ja 30. That is the total number of students. So we can find the number of boys. Number of boys. As you know, total number is 30 and girls are how much girls? That is the 18. So rest of the 12 is boys. So their ratio, we can find the ratio. Ratio number of boys and girls. So you can write here number of boys upon number of girls. So put the value number of boys as you have seen here 12 and number of girls that is the 18. So 6 2 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18. So we get 2 by 3 or we can say it is 2 raised to 3. So that is your answer. Let us see this one, the third one. An item mark price rupees this. So you can write here mark price, that is the rupees of 950 was sold rupees 760. Find the discount. It is the selling price. So you can say it is the SP, that is the rupees of 760. Now find the discount. So how can find discount? So first of all you can calculate discount. Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Mark price is 950 and selling price is 760. Now subtract this 0 minus 0, that is 0. 15 minus 6, that is 9, and here is 8, so it becomes 1. 8 minus 7, that is the 1. So that is the discount is 190. Now find the discount percent. Discount percent. So that is the discount upon mark price into 100. So discount is given as 190, mark price is 950 into 100. So 0 will be cancelled out to 0. 19 5 ja here and 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja and 1 0 is here. So that one is 20%. So that is your answer. Let us see the fourth. Lalit bought a motorcycle for rupees 9016, including 12% sale tax. What was the cost before adding the sale tax? So let the cost price be rupees X. So sale tax is equal to 12% of X. So you can say 12% of X. So we can write here X into 12 upon 100. So 4 3 ja and 4 25 ja. So it becomes 3x upon 25. So CPU cost price including with sale tax, that is the x and plus 3x upon 25. So we can take the LCM, it is 25. So 25x plus 3x. So we get 28x upon 25. And it is given that 96, but according to this question, it is given as 9016. So it is 28x upon 25. Now calculate the x. So x is equal to 9016 into 25 and divided by 28. So what will be happen in this? Yes. Now 7 4 ja and it is 7 1 ja and 7 2 ja and 7 8 ja and once again 7 8 ja. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. So we get 322 multiplied by 25. Now it becomes 8050. It is 8050. So you can do this type of, and that one is the cost before, the cost price of this one is before sell tax. So cost price before sell tax is equal to rupees 8050. So that one is your answer. So let us see the next one. The fifth question, that one, the flour mill cost rupees this and the sell tax is taken by 7% on this. If Sweta buys this mill, find the price she paid for it. So the cost price is given as, so you can say cost price, that is the CP. It is rupees of 130000, and the 7% of sell tax. So you can calculate its sell tax. That is the 7% of 130000. So you can calculate 130000 into 7 upon 100 rupees. So 0 cancel with 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. Now multiply to this. It is 7 0 ja 0, 7 0 ja 0, 7 3 ja 21 and 7 1 ja 7 and 2, that is the 9. So sell tax is given like this. So paid price, that is the paid price, it is the CP plus sales tax. So it is 130000 and plus 9100. So you can calculate here. It is 139100. So that is the rupees. So that one is your answer. Let us see this one. In this, what will be happen? Sixth question, a machine is sold with a 8% discount. Price at the rupees 1748. What is the mark price of the machine? Let mark price be rupees X. So this one is the discount. Discount is given as 8% of X. So it is rupees X into 8 upon 100. So 4 2 ja and 4 25 ja. So it will be rupees 2x upon 5. So after discount, the selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. It is given as 1748 and mark price B, that is the X, and minus discount is 2x upon. It is 25, not 5. So take the LCM, that is 25. So it is 25x minus 2x and 1748. So we get here It is 25 minus 2, that is the 23 of x upon 25 will be equal to 1748. So x will be equal to 1748 into 25 upon 23. So what will be? Now it is 23 से डिवाइड करेंगे आप लोग तो it becomes 76, and it is 76 into 25, and after multiply we get it will be 1900. So this one the mark price be, so mark price is equal to rupees 1900, and that is your answer. So let us see the next one. Seventh, we have two baskets. One has 8 mangoes and 4 watermelons, and the other has 14 mangoes and 7 watermelon. Find out if the ratio of fruits in both the baskets is the same or different. So let us see what will be happen in this. So for first basket, this is your first basket. What will be happen? It is 8 mangoes and 4 watermelon. Eight mangoes and 4 watermelons. And the second, it has 14 mangoes and how much? 7 watermelon. So find out the ratio of fruits in both the baskets. So mangoes upon watermelon. That is 8 upon 4. So it will be cancelled out. So it becomes 2 upon 1. So the ratio is 2 raised to 1. And here mangoes upon watermelon. So it is 14 upon 7. 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So we get 2 upon 1, and that is the 2 raised to 1. That means both have the same ratio. Basket is the same or different. So you can write here both basket have same ratio of fruits. So that will be your answer. Let us see the eighth question. If the 5% sell tax is added to the purchase of the following items, then find the selling price of each. Shirt is 200 rupees and 5 kg sugar at the rate of 30% per kg. Now CP. So now find the total CP. CP is equal to shirt is how much? It is the 200 rupees, and plus here 30 per kg है, but here is 5 kg. So that total cost is like this. So it becomes 200 plus 5 3 ja 15, it is 150. So that becomes 350 rupees. It is the CP. So you can write the CP is 350 rupees. Now the sell tax. Sell tax is equal to 5% of rupees 350. So it becomes 350 into 5 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled out, and now multiply to this. 5 5 ja 25, and 5 3 ja 15, and 2, that is the 17, and point is here. So that is the sell tax rupees. So now selling price. Selling price is equal to the cost price plus sell tax. Now add them, that is the 350 and plus 17.50. So that becomes rupees how much? It is 0.50, and here is 7, and 5 and 1 6, and 3. So that is the selling price, and that is the answer. Now let us see the next one. Ninth question, Sarita bought a cooler for rupees this, including a tax 15%. What is the price of the cooler before the tax? So let mark price of cooler be rupees X. So selling price, so here is the sell tax. Sell tax is given as, that is the 15% of X. So it would be uh, 15 upon 100 into X. So 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja. So it becomes 3 by 20 of X. So selling price, it would be mark price and plus sell tax. Mark price is X and sell tax is 3 by 20 of X. Now taking the LCM, that is the 20, so we get 20 of X plus 3 of X. Now it is 23 upon 20 of X. But selling price is given as like this, here is, which is including, so you have to write here 5750. So we can say X is equal to 5750 into 20 and divided by 23. Question, whenever it divided, it gives 250. Now 250 multiply by 20, so we get, it is 0 0 2 5 ja 10, and 2 2 ja 4, and 1 5. So that is the mark price of the cooler. So you can write here mark price of cooler is equal to rupees 5000, and that will be your answer. So let us see the next question. 10th, Suraj bought a television rupees 10,260, including a sell tax of 8%. What was the price before the tax? So let mark price be rupees X. So sell tax, it is given as 8% of X. So how can say it is 8 upon 100 into X? So 4 2 ja 8, and 4 25 ja. So we get 2 upon 25 of X. It is a sell tax. Now selling price is equal to mark price and plus sell tax. mark price is x and sell tax is 2 upon 25 of x, and it is given according to the question 10260. Now taking the LCM, it is the 25 and it is 25 of x plus x, so it will be give 26 upon 25 of x, not it is the 2x. You have to see here, this one is your 2x, so you have to write here 2x, so it will be 27, not 26, so you can write here 27. Yes, so it is 10260. So what will be happen? So x is equal to, it is 10260 into 25 upon 27. Let us do the calculation. When it is divided by 27, it gives 380. Now multiply to this 380 into 25. So what will be happen? It is 9500. So that is the value of x. So what was the price before the tax? So that was the price before the tax. So it is the mark price. So you can write mark price of television is equal to rupees 9500. So that one is your answer. Yes, your exercise be completed. ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी कंप्लीट हो गई है, कॉपी में कंप्लीट करेंगे, और ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं होमवर्क के लिए दे रहा हूँ, इसको करने की कोशिश करेंगे, और नहीं होगा तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम पे कराऊंगा इसको। और नीचे जो है आप लोगों को एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, ये होमवर्क आप लोगों को करके लाना है। बिल्कुल वैसे ही क्वेश्चन है जैसे हम लोग करके दिखा रहे थे, लेकिन थोड़े से ईयर्स में आ गए हैं, तो जब नहीं बनेंगे तो मैं इसको कराऊंगा। नीचे आपको लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर इस